Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 security not working. So what you want to do, guys, go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard, and you want to go ahead and type in PowerShell, right? Now, once you type in PowerShell, you'll find the Windows PowerShell. Right click on this, run that as administrator. You'll let a pop-up, click yes. And from here, you want to go ahead and paste the following command. You'll find this within the description of this video. So all you have to do is just simply enter it, click enter, and you will see that you get a little flash on your screen. Nothing much will happen apart from what you see there. No, that's all you need to do. Go ahead and close that. Now, if you go ahead and try to open up the Windows security again, you will see that it opens up on your computer. And that's it. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.